Are you ready to embark on a life-changing journey that will unlock your true purpose and bring profound joy and fulfillment? Join us as we explore the best-selling book Ikigai by Héctor Garcia and Francesc Miralles, a captivating guide that reveals the secrets to living a meaningful and purpose-driven life. Get ready to discover your own Ikigai and unlock the extraordinary potential within you. Are you searching for meaning and fulfillment in your life? Look no further than the remarkable book, Ikigai, which has taken the world by storm. In this enthralling masterpiece, authors Héctor Garcia and Francesc Miralles delve into the concept of Ikigai, a Japanese philosophy that holds the key to living a purposeful and fulfilling life. Today, we invite you to dive into the pages of this transformative book and unlock the secrets to finding your own Ikigai. At its core, Ikigai explores the intertwining factors that give our lives meaning and purpose. Drawing from the wisdom of the Japanese village of Ajumai, known for its high concentration of centenarians, the authors reveal the four essential elements that form the foundation of Ikigai: discovering what you love, what the world needs, what you are good at, and what you can be rewarded for. This powerful guide takes readers on a captivating journey, blending inspiring stories, practical exercises, and profound insights from both Eastern and Western philosophies. Through the pages of Ikigai, you will uncover the tools and mindset necessary to align your passions, talents, and contributions, leading to a life of deep fulfillment, happiness, and longevity. Are you ready to embark on a transformational adventure? Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of purpose, clarity, and joy, knowing that you are living in alignment with your true calling. In Ikigai, you'll discover practical strategies to ignite your passions, harness your strengths, and make a positive impact on the world around you. Get ready to unlock the extraordinary potential within you as we delve into the remarkable pages of Ikigai. Join us on this transformative journey as we explore the best-selling book Ikigai. Discover the timeless wisdom, inspiring stories, and practical exercises that will guide you towards uncovering your own Ikigai. Whether you're seeking personal growth, career clarity, or a greater sense of purpose, this book holds the keys to unlocking a life of true fulfillment and lasting happiness. Don't miss out on this opportunity to redefine your life's purpose and unlock your own Ikigai. To embark on your journey of self-discovery and uncover your Ikigai, be sure to grab a copy of the book Ikigai by Héctor Garcia and Francesc Miralles. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this life-changing guide. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content and join us on the path to a purpose-driven life. Let's unlock our Ikigai together.